Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ, and if it's your first time here, in this channel we discuss financial literacy, avoiding debt, and how to make better financial decisions through the lenses of other people's experiences. If that sparks an interest, please like, comment, and subscribe. Interact with the channel. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. Let's get straight into it.
33,523 people send me $1 on my Cash App right now. I will be able to pay off my car. Hi, my name is Melanie, and I am sick of living in survival mode. These past few weeks have been crazy for me and my family, from losing our food stamps to my kids losing their Medicaid. And then I came on TikTok and I talked about it. And thanks to you guys, I was able to pay off my credit card, and now I am just trying to pay off my car loan. I have over 90,000 people, so to those who love me, if you're watching this video and you can just send me $1 to my Cash App, we can get this paid off as quickly as possible. I want to be able to get my family into a better position. I want to buy a gift for my husband's birthday in November. I want to cover all the gifts for Christmas for my kids, give my family some financial freedom. I want to give us a better quality life, and to do that, I need to get this car paid off. Honestly, this is kind of embarrassing, so I'm just gonna say, if you can't send $1, that's okay. Please just leave me a comment, and just watching this video, you are helping me tremendously already, because that also helps me monetize. Oh shit, that was embarrassing. But yeah, you guys, that's all I need. If I'm able to at least pay half of my car loan, or I'm able to cover it all, I will be giving my family a better opportunity at life and not have to struggle financially.
So I'm guessing they've already helped her pay off her credit cards. That's dope. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the people. She's a mother, you know what I'm saying? I'm sympathetic and empathetic towards mother, you know what I mean? I see how my wife struggles with taking care of our two children. You know, being a stay-home mom is also not easy, right? 100%. And if you're a stay-home mom or a stay-home dad, comment down below. But I personally think, though, right, this is going to create a constant cycle of begging strangers to pay for your own bad decisions. You know what I'm saying? Like, number one, you're drinking a $5 coffee from McDonald's, y'all. Number one, why not just cut that cost and just make it at home? And I'm not a type of guy, right? That's like, oh, you should penny pinch and not get coffee and do this, but you're on the internet begging people to get yourself out of the situation that you're in, right? So that's number one. Number two is, why do you have a car payment if you're a stay-at-home mom? Why are we talking about birthdays? Like, that's a luxury. Buying a gift for your husband, that's a luxury. And if he can't afford it, he has to understand he's a grown man, right? For a Christmas gift, you know what I mean? You just have to see what your kids are interested in. You know what I mean? Oh, I might want that. And look at the price and then kind of surprise them and make sure it's not too much. Why don't you DoorDash with that car? Why is the car just sitting there? When your husband comes from home, go DoorDash. Go make some money that can at least pay for the car. Go do Uber, Lyft. Make sure this car becomes an asset, bro. It has to be an asset. Why are we begging? Like, this is why I always say, right? Prevention is better than the cure. If you're a stay-home mom, a stay-home dad, or you're injured, or you're sick, you have to limit risks so you don't have a big burden at the end of the month in car payments. This car has to be working for her. And I promise you, if everybody got the money and paid off her $33,000 car, which is already just crazy and diabolical, it's not going to stop. She's going to get into more debt and then expect y'all to pay for it. This is an endless cycle of just like repetition. It won't stop. I promise you. Comment down below, bro, if you think everything I'm saying is like real. The car has to make money. It just can't be sitting in the garage or the driveway. Go do Uber, sis. When the husband comes from home and he's hustling, I know he's going to be tired, but this is a situation that's already tiring. Get an Uber, get a Lyft, and start giving rides.
Looking at a 23 Grand Cherokee. Income, I don't think will be a problem here. I think the bigger issue is going to be credit history. We have a 487. You have a repo or charge off. You have Philadelphia child support for $30,000 that's in collections, and you have a small line of credit that's open for 3 months, and then everything else is negative. Best case, I would be looking at a small car or a cosigner to add scrap.
I just took a look at the application for you, bro. We ran the credit. The credit's a little bit lower than where we anticipated you to be. Half of it's just because of that exit repossession, and then you have a child support collection that's also oppressing the credit a little bit. But we don't want you to be discouraged by this. We can still get you a decent approval here on a vehicle. Now, if we're going to be able to get you a loan without any help into a Grand Cherokee is going to be very questionable just because of where the credit is. Maybe a smaller SUV, smaller car to start, something for you to establish the credit and then get yourself into something like a Grand Cherokee. But if we have to do this Grand Cherokee be for you, brother. We're probably just going to need a little bit of help. Could we add some strength on there? Well, how do you do that? I would say a co-signer, brother. Someone who has a little bit of credit strength. If you're open to cars, brother, I can still try and get you approved for a car. It'll probably be maybe something like a Ford Escape, or maybe Fusion, maybe a Malibu, something like that for you to just start building credit in again. Just let me know what you can get me approved for. All right, brother. Let me work this for you. I'll get this done. I'll call you right back. Okay?
How about we take care of priorities first? Let's go back. 487 credit score, child support at $30,000 in collections. You have some charge-offs. You know what I mean? You got a lot of things stacked against you, brother. The number one thing to do is take care of the kids, man. That's number one. You don't need a car. You need to take care of the kids. You're a man, bro. God made you a man. God made us men. I mean, we take care of the family first. A lot of my money, 90% of my money goes to the family first. As a father, you are the one that gets to eat last. If you're a noble guy, obviously, you know what I mean. But you eat last. You know what I mean. Though, make sure the kids are good first. Make sure the wife is straight because she's taking care of the kids. Then you eat last. You don't need a car payment. $30,000 has to be taken care towards the kids before you can even get in a car. It's reckless, bro, for people to go into these dealerships with low credit scores. And this is not making fun of people. You know what I'm saying? You don't understand people's circumstances, but also common sense, the theory of common sense. And we talked about in our last video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Cognitive dissonance. You know you can't afford this car, bro. Like, you're already stacked too high. You're already like in limp mode. You already are just dragging a feet every day. You don't need a car. Take care of the fam. You know what I'm saying? Take care of the kids. And then we buy cars afterwards. We take care of ourselves last. This is reckless, y'all. Like, it won't stop, though. You know what I mean? It won't stop. And the thing is that, like, these dealerships don't care. Once the bank, whoever finances this person, they got to check. They don't care what happens after that. The banks deal with you. And the banks don't care, bro. Because you got to understand, this money that they're giving to you is from thin air. Fractional reserve banking is from thin air, right? So you have to put in the hard work, the labor, the sweat, the time to make sure that this car gets paid. And the bank is passive income for them because they don't care about a car. It's a liability. They know that. And the banks can't lose. They'll take your car. They'll take a little bit of a loss, which they really don't, right? So they take the car from you, right? They put it into the auction. They try to get whatever they can. They sue you for the rest. And on top of that, they get tax write-offs at the end of the year as a loss. They don't lose. They got the car back. They used money they never had. All right? And now they get a tax break. But then we're going to blame the bank. Now you got to blame yourself, big dog.
Or
No, what I have been doing is leasing.
okay, so you're just looking to stop leasing?
Absolutely.
Are you currently working?
No, I'm retired.
Retired. Okay. You were leasing before. You're retired now. You're looking at finance. What kind of down payment are you working with?
About 3,000.
As far as the retirement, what kind of income do you receive?
Well, I have a pension and a VA bill.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you for your service, man. All I need you to do is just bring your down payment, bring your VA award letter and your pension award letter, and we'll put something together for you, man.
Sounds good.
All right. Let me check my schedule real quick. How's like around 1 o'clock?
Perfect.
Awesome, man. I'm gonna send you a text message with my address, and I'll see you around 1. Nice to meet you. We talked a little bit ago, right?
Yes.
Hey, did you see anything out there that you like so far?
I was looking at that monster out there.
The red one?
Yes.
Good choice, man. Let me plug your info in, then we'll go take a look at the car, and we'll see what we can put together.
Sounds great.
So I got good news, man. I have an approval.
Great.
I want to show you the new Mazda, and then we'll talk numbers while they're working it up, all right?
All right.
So it is the red one that you looked at. This is a 2023. You're going to love the gas mileage on this, too. This is the Premier Plus package. You've got the sunroof, actually the panoramic roof, the leather, all-wheel drive, and it's only got 39,000 miles on it, man.
That's great.
Here, hop in, start it up, man. Check it out.
Okay.
There is a push start.
Push start.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Great. Feels nice.
It's a great car, man.
Yeah, I like the interior.
He's got the heated seats, the heated steering wheel, all the bells and whistles,
Wow.
man. You like it?
Yes,
Cool.
I'm impressed.
Let's go talk numbers.
I like the
Loves that Mazda, man. I just need numbers.
Oh, beautiful. I think this falls in line with everything he was looking for. It's less than what he was paying on his lease, and obviously he owns it now. Sweet.
You're gonna like these numbers.
Okay.
So we are at the 3,000 down that you have. You'll have a 2-year, 30,000-mile warranty, which covers the engine, transmission, suspension. All the major components are covered. Take care of the oil changes, drive it, enjoy it. You will have gap insurance to protect you. God forbid something happens, and you're only at $479 a month, and that's a 60-month term. You own it, and your payment's $1 cheaper than what you were paying on the Explorer.
I'm really impressed.
Cool. Sign right here and give me your money.
Okay.
And then we'll do the paperwork.
All right.
Congratulations, bro.
Hey, the guy seems sweet, man. You know what I mean? Big dog, they robbed you clean. The guy said, thank you for your service. And he didn't give him good service. But he robbed them, broad daylight. This is what happens when you don't do research, due diligence, and you take these salesmen as a friend. Oh, he's being nice. The goal is not to get approved. The goal is to win the best deal you can possibly win in that dealership. If you go to a dealership, you have to have the most angry face. When I say rob this guy clean, you know what I mean? Let me show you guys how they rob this guy clean. All right, guys. So you guys can see this, right? So he's paying $479 a month, right? Please stick with me, right? And comment down below. Like, I really want to know what you guys think. Leave a like right now, right? Because I'm trying to break it down to you guys, right? People don't do research. People don't do due diligence. He paid $479 for 60 months. That's 5 years. $479 times 60 is 27 and some change. 27,700 and something. Let's just say 28,000, right? It's obviously way more than 27,700, right? Because you're not kicking in interest. He added gap and he added warranty, so it's more expensive now. The loan is way more expensive than 27,700. I'm only counting the payments. You know what I'm saying? But I literally searched up in Philadelphia. That same car he bought, he could have bought new. He could have bought new for that same car. This is a 2025. You guys can see it, right? This is a 2025. Right, look, 2025 Mazda CX-50. He said the select package, right? This car only has 2 miles for 30,000. Thank you for your service. But you don't thank him for service, man. He needs to thank you for your disservice to him. You did him bogus, bro. That is bad, y'all. Come on. I really feel sad for the guy, man. He could have bought the same car, brand new, and he only gets pensions, y'all. This is why these people are not y'all friends, man. You got to do your research. Do not think of going into a car dealership as prison. You're walking into jail, you're walking into prison. They're not your friends. They would literally manipulate numbers just to destroy any happiness or stability in your life. They robbed the guy clean, bro. It literally took me 2 minutes to draft this up. Where he lives, Philadelphia, because that's where that thing is located. And he could have got this nice black 2025 for the same price. He's actually overpaying for that car. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Comment down below what you guys think. I'm going to try to stay consistent. So please support the channel. Subscribe, share, like, do all the things that interact with the channel. And with that being said, be good, do good. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.